Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana ucindezela ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje kushona isenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole zonke iy'ndaba esikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Udaba ekulethele lona namhlanje lithi sekuvele laphana kwase-Eastern Cape kwakugadla-ke kwazwela-ke laphana-ke kubantu-ke be-M_K nabantu-ke abahlala e-K_Z_N-ke. Emva kokuthi kusabalale ividiyo-ke umuntu-ke obeyilunga le-M_K ecela ukuthi abantu base-Eastern Cape bavotele i-M_K bayiyeke i-A_N_C na, ngoba bahlezi behlupheka bebonakala ku-T_V kuma-cutting edge be-complain-a-ke. Lo mlisa kube senza ividiyo-ke ephendula-ke leyo nkulumo leyo wagadla, kodwa angifuni ukuthi wezwa ngami-ke mina-ke. Phela nje into engenza nje ngizodlala ividiyo-ke uzwele wona-ke. Ngizocela kulaphana sewuzwile le vidiyo lena ungene ema-comment section-ke laphana-ke ufushe umbono wakho ukuthi wena ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu kuyamsicinzana ebhasini nje usubscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje okhishwa nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke. Nawe-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Yazi sinengxaki entsha of abantu bala MK nabantu base-KZN trying to use us as the Eastern Cape to prop up that tribal stockpile yabo abayibiza MK. In their desperation for votes, they are busy, fixated and obsessed with the Eastern Cape and the problems of the Eastern Cape as if bona zibaxakanga ezabo ingxaki. If izinto was so perfect in KZN and you had such great leadership in KZN and Zuma was such a great leader, why didn't he deal with the riveting poverty in KZN? In 2021, nashi izindlu zenu ezishushu and went out looting. 700 people lost their lives. Nina there in KZN, you were trampling over dead bodies of in-neighbors zenu. Nizama ukulutha a 2 kg of rice no meal nizenza ngcono, and uthetha about zonke provinces ziyaphakama. You are the only one that is supporting la Zuma. No one else is supporting Uzuma. Uzuma was rejected in the Free State. He was rejected in Limpopo. He was rejected in the Western Cape and the Eastern Cape. The only place that accepts and loves Uzuma is KZN yenu, because vote yenu is based on tribal lines, nothing else. That's why you're obsessed right now, because niyayazi uba anina substance as a party. The only thing eninayo are tribal lines. Le party yenu is based on tribal lines, nothing else. Busy talking about ingxaki zase-Eastern Cape. Have you looked at ingxaki zase-KZN zone? KZN is not just Durban and Richards Bay. Have you been a Xhopho? Have you been eManguzi, kwaMhlaba uyalingana? Have you been there eMthwalume, eNkandla, apho uZuma built a 250 million rand mansion using taxpayers' money, while ehlala next to umakhelwane in a mud house? The EFF had to be the one to build her a house, umakhelwane kaZuma. Ehlala in a mud house while Zuma was the president, doing absolutely nothing for Inkandla. And today kufanele bathi nasigoba uphondo for inansi, for the same Zuma, the same person who has zero morality. uZuma lo uthetha ngayo. uZuma kaloku is the same man owayekhulisa umntana we-comrade zakhe, changing the napkin, ama-napkin umntana e-comrade, only to turn around amsebhedini lo mntana lowo the moment i-comrade ingajonganga. A man without morals olo hlobo ufuna uba sijonge yena thina. If yonke into was so rosy in KZN, can you tell me kwakutheni nize nishiye izindlu zenu nihambe niyolutha? Sendisiphambanile guys.